Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we will explore SoundHound AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 4th of August, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 29th of July, 2025, our system has categorized SoundHound AI as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of -1.4. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of -0.47%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.09% since its classification as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned in the lower section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $10.08 be breached, it would first indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend points to a possible change of approximately 15.39% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging between 9.34% and 45.54%. In terms of the long-term outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of about 25.98%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 6.69% to 227.27% over the next year. In present terms, this would suggest a future price between $11.35 and $34.82. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI highlights that the stock price of SoundHound AI Inc. increased by more than 5.24% on Monday. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 4th of August, 2025, the stock price of SoundHound AI Inc. rose by 5.24%, moving from $10.11 to $10.64. During that trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 6.23%, with a low of $10.19 and a high of $10.82. Notably, the price has declined in 8 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 9.06% during this period. The trading volume fell by 2 million shares on the last day, with a total of 24 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $254.78 million. It is important to note that declining volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $24.98, while the lowest was $3.94. Currently, the stock price is 57.41%, or $14.34, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which is also the all-time high for this stock. SoundHound AI, ticker symbol SOUN, has been capturing investor interest recently, particularly in light of its strategic partnerships and cutting-edge technology. The company announced a collaboration with Acrelec to enhance drive-thru experiences with voice-enabled systems, positioning itself at the forefront of the booming AI sector, especially within quick-service restaurants. This innovation not only showcases SoundHound's capabilities, but also addresses a growing market demand for advanced AI solutions in everyday operations. As the stock market grapples with bearish trends influenced by disappointing jobs data and trade uncertainties, the focus on SOUN as a potential millionaire-maker stock signals an opportunity for investors looking for high-growth technology options. Analysts highlight that while the overall market may be experiencing volatility, companies like SoundHound, with robust revenue growth and strategic market positioning, can offer significant upside. With earnings reports set to be released shortly, which are anticipated to have considerable implications for shareholders, SOUN's price movements in the near term may reflect investor sentiment based on these developments. Longer term, SoundHound's commitment to multilingual AI technology and its ability to innovate could solidify its market share, contributing to sustained growth and potentially enhancing its stock value significantly as demand for AI solutions expands. Overall, SoundHound stands out as a compelling option for investors amid fluctuating market conditions. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned SOUN a neutral rating with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN an outperform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to SoundHound AI stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock as well. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. The volume decreased during the last trading day despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It's advisable to monitor the stock closely. Several negative signals have also emerged, which could influence its short-term trajectory. The stock of SoundHound AI Inc. currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average sits above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance levels at $10.73 and $10.93. A breakout above either of these points will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 9, 2025, and since then, the stock has experienced a decline of 17.52%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, observed 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, identified 23 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, noticed 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, recorded 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal, marked 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, noted 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 24 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. identifies support from accumulated volume at $10.11. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval derived from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 0.635 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 6.23%. In the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 6.16%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can go through downturns, often driven by factors outside of their control. Nevertheless, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are at -6 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly affect stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $11.01. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI faces its first support level at $10.11. If this support level holds, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Michael Zagorsek, who bought and sold 193,573 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -42.444. In total, insiders purchased 2,620,990 shares and sold 6,925,147 shares during the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? The SoundHound AI Inc. company presents several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that SoundHound AI Inc. company will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 5th of August, we expect SoundHound AI to open lower by approximately 9 cents and begin trading at $10.55. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What target do you have for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a lovely day from all of us here at Stock Invest.